What's up, guys? We watched another video. We just made it down here to Long Beach, California. Back over here, like literally exactly where the Formula Drift was last week. Today is actually the Grand Prix, I think. I'm not sure. This is where we're at today. The Acura Grand Prix of Long Beach. This is the actual like Grand Prix? I don't know. This is my first time here, guys. We're gonna see a bunch of racing, as you guys can see. Possibly see some of this going on today. I don't know. Either way, today's gonna be a lit vlog as usual. So smash the like button right now before we even get into the video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not subscribed yet. I'm about to crash. I almost crashed. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. We're almost at 200,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button right now, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you. But yeah, we just made it down here to Long Beach. We're gonna meet up with the guys at 412. Sam and Joseph are down here, and I believe Sam is also drifting today. So not only is there a bunch of racing happening, but there's a bunch of drifting too. So I don't even know what to expect. Sam just hit me up last minute. He was like, pull up, watch me drift, and there's a bunch of other car stuff happening. But it is packed today, so I don't know where I'm gonna park. It is 5:35 right now, and I'm gonna let you guys know what time it is when we get in. And then once we park, we have to try to make our way into the event, which Sam said he might be able to get me a pass. It's like up in the air right now, but we're gonna finesse our way in here, I promise. There goes Sam! It's gonna be sick to see Sam drift. I haven't seen Sam drift in so long, but look how long it took. Almost an hour to park and get in here, guys. I walked so much. I had to walk like 10 miles, bro. Alright, guys, I'm really trying to finesse my way in here right now. We're literally on the track. I always find my way, guys. You just gotta... Oh, it's Sam, bro! I don't know how we made it here, guys, but look, we're on the other side of the gate now. Somehow I snuck my way to the back. I'm telling you guys, I don't even know how I made it in here. Joseph gave me this, but they didn't even check it. I literally walked through a gate that was cracked open. I just walked through and came all the way to the front. Viper, S15, Roman E36, BRZ. Got Sam in the 135, look at it. This is the first time I've ever seen Sam drift this car. Why is this music so loud? Why is there music at a drift event? Everyone wants to just get the cars.
I'm nervous for a lot of these drivers, but this gentleman, he hasn't turned a wheel in Formula Drift competition. We're going to see him in Atlanta at Prospect 412 BMW, making his Formula Drift debut. Say hello to Sam McMurray.
Oh boy, Sam! That's crazy. This is gonna be crazy, bro. Sam's first time in Formula Drift ever, guys. He's going against people that have been in Formula Drift for like 10 years. And that was literally Sam's first time ever on this track. And this Long Beach track is not easy. It's like one of the hardest tracks that they have. It's very like technical and fast, and small, like it's crazy. It's his first time on Formula Drift and first time at this track, guys. We'll see how he does. I know Sam's super freaking happy. He's been trying to do this forever. And we're back at the spot that we were at last time, guys. The spot where we almost got our hands taken off. If you guys haven't watched that video, go watch it. Bro! My hands! We actually got to ride in one of the drift cars on this track with Chelsea Denofa and Rome. Rome's about to go up right now in his E36. Alright guys, E46 versus the Viper. Being right here, guys. It's sick to watch, it's sick to experience, but the smoke and all the tires in my eyes, I do not miss. That was sick though. E46 is sick. The Viper is pretty crazy too. My boy's really drifting a Viper. God damn, bro. these cars just sound insane. I love drifting, bro. It's freaking crazy. They're going so fast. I can't wait to see Sam though. I'm excited. I know he's nervous, bro. I'd be hella nervous. Think about it. Your first time in Formula Gym, your first time in front of all these people. That shit is scary. First time on this track. Oh, that shit is sick. That kid looks young. They crashed, bro. They both crashed. Yeah, he made a spin out. That sucks. I wonder if their cars are messed up. This car's messed up. I told you, bro. This spot is crazy. It looks like we're about to get hit.
Well, you told us to come here. We came and filmed you guys.
That shit is crazy. Look at all this shit. Bro, Sam's really on the screen, guys. That's crazy. They both messed up. Come on, Sam. Come on, Sam. It's his first time ever, guys, on this track. Okay, that was clean. Not bad. There you go, Sam. That is not bad, bro, for his first time ever doing this run. That wasn't bad.
He's moving forward on that one. Let's go.
He had no time to practice. They didn't give him any chance to practice. This is literally his practice run. Not bad at all. Sheesh. Sam?
Sam advances, baby. Let's go.
Sam won. My boy Sam won, bro. Sam's first time?
Sam's first win in FD. First advance.
That's crazy, young.
He did good.
That wasn't bad,
He did
bro.
good.
This track is not easy.
The track is not easy. He nailed the whole track.
That was pretty good. With no practice. That was like his practice run. Everyone smash the like button right now for Sam. I'm sure he's so hyped. He's been trying to do this for years, guys. Like, this is like his dream. I mean, think about it. Imagine being in Formula Drift, bro. The top of the top of the top. It's not easy, guys. Guys, look at this spot. It's so sketchy right here. Joseph's scared. Sam's not gonna go anymore, guys. He won. He went to the next round, but I think his clutch went out. I don't know how the clutch went out, but it's racing, I guess. Things happen. But let's check out some other people. Let's see who wins. And guys, all this drifting lately is making me want to bring back my E46. I promise we're bringing it back. We're bringing back the E46 strong, guys. I cannot wait. I'm gonna try to finish it by like next month for sure. And I think we're gonna rewrap the E46. So comment down below, help me out on what color I should do the E46. I want to do a livery like these guys, like a race car livery. Make it look like a Formula Drift car. And then start getting some more seat time. So maybe one day we could be doing this. You never know, bro. Adam LZ did it, and he's a YouTuber. I think if you put the time in, it could happen, but... Sick that they're drifting at night here. With all the lights on, it looks sick. Fast and the Furious shit. It looks sick with all the lights. All the neon. Sheesh. those cars are insane, dude. Usually at the end they do donuts right now, so we'll see. Drifting scene's getting. Look at this.
Rome Sharpen's here.
Rome won in the E36. That's tight.
How does it feel to get your first win today?
I don't know how I did it, but it did happen.
All right, hey,
Killer.
remember kids, you don't even know how to do it.
You
As long as you do.
I did. This shit looks lame.
That was sick. That was crazy scene. It's scary though.
So scary.
I bet, but that track is crazy.
Sorry, Nick.
Rotary sounds crazy. That shit is loud. That was sick though, guys. Sam finally got to bring his 135 out. I can't believe Sam's really in Formula Drift now, guys. It's gonna be crazy. I think it's controlled with the throttle. So every time you push the brakes, these come on. And when you put the gas, I think they go up like RPMs. It's pretty cool. This thing's nice. E46 M3, guys. Definitely need to take some tips. But look, even this is like a very simple livery, like just a couple lines and a bunch of their sponsors. We have a lot of sponsors for my E46. I want to put them on there. Put phone too, obviously, because Sam built the car. Big FN logo for FindingNick. It'll be sick, like my merch. This is what I want mine to look like, guys. Maybe a little wide body kit like this too. I think it's clean. It's a very simple wide body kit. It's a crazy ass engine. Look, LS with the Pro Charger, I believe. Damn, that shit sounds crazy. God damn. Look at the flames. I forget that the Viper has exhaust out the sides. Look how sick it looks with all these lights, bro. It's even in the engine bay. It's sick. I want to put underglow on my drift car. I think a drift car could definitely pull it off.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.